doing our new art piece. We're pretty much going to be taking this here picture and transferring it to this canvas. So you can see I've already sketched the basic outline on there. Now at this point we're going to hot glue the three-dimensional pieces of our picture onto the board. So as you see now, we're using our last bit of acrylic paint to finish up the blue. Oh, we got a special feature, my man Bravo. This is my art teacher. Shout out Bravo. Follow him on Instagram. Check your Instagram out, Bravo. This is my boy. We ain't doing shit on this level yet, but you know, respect my man. Yikes, yeah, you're the truth, bro.
Yeah,
you're the truth.
I did that with marker.
Ah, my boy, bro. I'm a new artist, guys, so, you know, feel free to follow my boy, Rob. He's my art teacher. But, yeah, keep showing me y'all support, too, because I'm trying, you know what I'm saying? And I call this piece Sea Life. S-E-E, life.